So, Jason accidentally deleted the footage from our first day in Bangkok.
So, what that means is today's vlog is going to be a little bit different. So the first day we went to Chinatown, we went to Thailand floating market.
We fed the fish there and everything, which was pretty cool.
Yeah, so we did all that. I woke up the next day and formatted the memory card and deleted all of the footage. We tried to get it back, but it is completely gone. Come on in. Welcome to the humble abode. To my left, as you can see, we have a sliding wardrobe with lots of space for hanging your clothes. And then next to that, we have a coffee station. Next to this, we have, I'm not really sure what you would call it. It's maybe a seat to put your shoes on, but who knows. We have got not one, but two beds. This one's massive. It is on wheels, so you do roll around. So that's a bit of an interesting one. Out the window here, honestly, the view's fair play. Stood here now, but do you know what? I really don't know what this is. Right, so the next area here, just opposite the beds, is a little seating area with a table. Look at us, eh? Into the bathroom. Either way, we have a lovely sink that we did our washing in yesterday. Huge mirror, hairdryer, and toilet with a bidet as well. The most interesting part of the entire bathroom is that there's a phone on the wall. Now, I
use that either.
Now, I don't know why you would need a phone whilst sat here, but if anybody knows, please let me know in the comments. Do you get it? No. I don't get it. I'm really confused by the whole thing. And then just over here, we've got a few bits still drying, but we do have a bath, and we do have a shower. This is as high as the shower goes. This is as high as I go. So when the water comes out, it comes out to about here, which means when I'm showering, I've got to do this to get my head, wash my hair like this.
What I would say is it's a 4-star hotel, but it wouldn't be a 4-star hotel in England.
It wouldn't. No, it wouldn't. Definitely not.